We are going to share with you 3 such most effective tricks without wasting time, which you will be able to do longer conversion with anyone with 100% confidence, without being scared, without overthinking, and people will be installed instant to your communication skills and how to talk. The first of which is Nonstop Conversation Flow. First of all, understand that you do not need to learn communication skills. She knows you already. You are not able to use it right in the right place. Because people with whom you are comfortable with your family, your friend or relatives, do you get a problem in communication? No. The problem comes when you meet a new person, about which you know very little or nothing. Whether it is your online friend from which you are getting real, new classmate or co-worker, or any person that you are getting social. You imagine you are on a romantic date, and you are sitting in front of you a very beautiful girl, who you like very much, and fear is afraid. Fear is not known about me. Eliminates confidence, and its solution is very simple. Start with the present moment, that is, in whatever situation you are in, start talking. For excellent Barack Obama, when the US president was a famous incident. At a town hall meeting, he started his talk with a simple line. How many of you saw a Super Bowl yesterday? There was a smile in everyone's face in the room. People started mixing yes and installed an atmosphere. Then he linked the smoothie event to the topic of the US economy. This is the best way to start the matter, that it is not necessary that you have to be dependent on the environment around you. Keep yourself up to date with the latest news, current world event, a new movie, sports or controversy, so that you always have something to talk. Now suppose you have not started talking and the person in front is talking. Then how to maintain that conversion? Ask probing questions. Suppose you are meeting someone and chit-chat and the front person says, I went to play last weekend cricket. Now what will be your answer here? Good cricket is good, brother. Just now there will be unconfirmed long silence. Or you can reply like this. How long have you been playing good cricket, brother? Where do you play? Such things will continue to move forward. Then they will also start asking you questions. Do you also play cricket? No, man. I like football more. Now the topic has been shifted to the naturally from here. That is, you do not have to put a full stop in the end of your spoken centuries. Rather, the question is to be marked. And now the flow of conversion will also be maintained. But who knows this flow? Who breaks? Your own words be articulate. Speaking of anything randomly, do not put your point in front with clear and well structure. Using fillers or yorgans, changing your tone repeatedly shows you a much more unpredictable stupid. And the imitator makes the front person feel that you do not have a way to talk. Well, look at this clip. Dat to har. Yes? Dat to har. What? What? From don't. This is I am not be hard on har. So in this video, Shailin is saying something but no one understands. They are mumbling inside themselves, while Salman Khan is able to speak his point by being very clear and loud articulate. So this example's video was just to explain to you. Being an articulate means to speak your ideas and your thoughts in such a clear way that the front listen to it without any confusion and in interesting ways. Where people are more impressed than you talk less than you talk. If you are explain it simply, you don't understand it well. Inf. Albert Einstein. This is not the biggest problem that most people tell us that there is talk in my mind, but I cannot speak to him clearly. End gets destroyed. So the best way to practice it is writing. Whenever you get a thought or idea or you have an opinion, then take it in your phone's notes app or copy pen, and write as many details as you can in the way. Then read it again after a few days. If you read it by reading it, it means that you did not say your point correctly. Try to write him more than the best way. A scientific research also states that writing helps organize the thoughts and deeps understanding. When we write, we are forced to think. With this we learn to give structures to our ideas. This exercise will refine your thought process more. How to express your ideas and thoughts in words, you will become a master in this. Now speaking does not mean that only you keep speaking. Conversation is like clapping with both hands, one hand to speak and the other to hear. This was the whole part of how to speak. Now it is important to understand how to listen, because if your licensing ability is weak, then you will never be able to become a good communicator. Active lying. It is the problem of most people that he listens to the person in front of what I can give it the best reply to it. While you have to learn to talk less to do more good things. And this is the most different part of a good communicator, listening to the front. It is not so that you feel that, yes, I heard the whole thing, now I can speak. The goal is that the person in front feels that you have heard the whole thing and now he wants you to speak. There is a lot of difference between the two. Lying is also that whatever is being spoken in front, just keep on shaking yes. And also keep your reply ready, so that as soon as it is over, you keep shooting all your replies one by one. And this is a very bad way to talk to someone where you are thinking about yourself selfishly. All you have to do is keep your points. Appreciation and validation are needed on your point. What the person in front is saying is secondary. Most people are like this. They just listen to listen, not to understand. This is passive licensing. You have to focus on active licensing. A research says that active licensing causes your mirror neurons, which build the trust. Now, how to do active licensing? For this, remember this 5 seconds trick. First, keep listening to the whole thing in front. Understand what he is saying. Understand the feeling behind their words. Do not reply immediately when they are completed. Rather, follow these 3 steps. Pose for 5 seconds. Take a 5-second poses. Take a long breath. Do not let them feel like you are just waiting for their mouth shut. Summarize. Whatever he said so far, cool him in his language in a very short. Suppose you have a new friend who got a new job and he is sharing his first day experience with you, where his first day is very bad. And he is sharing all his problems with you, what face he got today. So at the end of his talk, say that we have happened so much in one day today. After sustaining follow-up next, ask him a follow-up question. You can ask this question after sustaining the matter of the front in the Bean exam. So, how is it feeling now? Or what have you thought next? By doing this, the person in front feels that you have listened to genuinely. Your entire attention was on them. It builds a deep connection. There is no talk only at the surface level, and without saying anything you become a good communicator. But if you feel that communication is just to listen or speak, then you are wrong. You did your point clearly express or listen to them well. It does not just depend on your speaking and listening skills. There are some quizzes or behavior that make your communication more effective. And now the most important part, body language, comes here. Do not consider body language as soon as your words have costumes. Words are completely empty and naked without saying to you. But everything you say with the right body language becomes effective. UCLA Professor Albert Merebian has 55% body language of 38% tone and only 7% words. This means what you are saying is more than what you are saying. How are you speaking? An exam of Low Alice. Alice works in a local department store. Most of his time comes out in interaction with customers and co-builders. There are many things, but not just from word, not from body language. Even before speaking, his body language tells people many things. For example, if her arms are crossed and she is not contacting the eye, then the customer may feel that she is not approved. Now it may be that Alice is in a friendly mood, but his body language is adorning her upside down. And it is not necessary that she is doing this consulate. Maybe this is just his habit. But if Alice gets awareness of her habit, then she can work on her body language. Habits are difficult to change. But if you take some poses and observe yourself, then gradually you can better your body language. Like one day Alice notices that his corker is silent. Her body is very painful and she is sitting in a slut posture. Seeing this, Alice can feel that something is not right, whether he is upset or an issue is going on. Now it depends on how their relationship is. Perhaps Alice gives her a little space or asked softly that everything is fine, isn't it? Awareness of body language can bring huge difference in both your personal and professional life. How people pursue you and how do you understand others depend on this. Just remember how you present yourself. It is more powerful than speaking. Many times you do not say anything. You say a lot. And because now you are young and educated, then you will know how important it is to get growth in life with communication skills. So if you do not want to waste your day and month and time like this, then you must watch this video now. Because this video will change your life. And really. So if you like this video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel and support us.